How much does a QA engineer actually earn in 2026? The answer is more complicated than a single salary number. One job posting might offer around $80,000. Another role with the same general title could pay $140,000 or more. The difference comes down to the work behind the title. Let's break down the real salary ranges and the skills that move compensation higher. The national baseline is useful, but it does not tell the full story. The Bureau of Labor Statistics data cited in the guide places the median salary for software quality assurance analysts and testers at $102,610 per year. At the lower end, the 10th percentile earns about $60,690. At the upper end, the 90th percentile reaches roughly $166,960.
That wide range exists because the label QA engineer often hides three different careers.
The first role is manual QA, sometimes called a QA analyst. This person runs test cases, files bugs, and validates user stories. They perform exploratory testing using common tools such as Jira, TestRail, and Postman.
This work is essential, but salaries often sit closer to the $60,000 to $95,000 range, depending on experience and location.
The second role is the QA automation engineer. This person writes and maintains automated test suites. They use tools such as Cypress, Playwright, Selenium, or Appium, and integrate tests into CI pipelines. Mid-level and senior automation engineers commonly earn between $100,000 and $150,000. The third role is the SDET, the software development engineer in test. An SDET builds test frameworks and owns architecture.
They create shared libraries and may contribute to production code. Senior SDETs can earn $145,000 to $170,000 in base salary, with total compensation reaching even higher at top tech companies.
Experience matters, but years alone are not the whole story. Junior QA analysts typically earn between $60,000 and $84,000. At 3 to 5 years, QA engineers and automation engineers often reach $90,000 to $120,000.
Senior QA engineers and senior SDETs commonly earn $120,000 to $155,000.
At the staff, architect, or director level, compensation can rise above $150,000 and reach $200,000 or more. The biggest jumps happen when your responsibilities change, from running tests to writing tests to designing the overall strategy. For most QA professionals, automation is the highest value career investment. According to the guide, learning automation can increase salary potential by $20,000 to $40,000. Tools such as Playwright, Cypress, and Selenium open the door to roles with more technical ownership. Employers are paying for engineers who can reduce release risk, improve speed, and create scalable testing processes. Artificial intelligence is changing QA work, but it is not eliminating the need for skilled QA professionals. AI can help identify flaky tests, but human judgment still matters. Someone must decide what to test and which cases are dangerous. The guide cites a 15% projected growth rate through 2034 for software developers, QA analysts, and testers. The takeaway is simple. QA is not a dead-end career, but the manual-only path is becoming more limited. To maximize your compensation, learn automation, add a framework like Playwright or Cypress, and consider the SDET path.
Domain expertise can also increase your value in industries like healthcare and fintech that pay more for testing and compliance knowledge.
Which path are you on today? Share your answer in the comments and subscribe for more technology salary and career insights.